Hello friends, for as long as I owned this 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage, these side view mirrors have had these hard water stains. I've gone through many car washes and nothing seems to work. So we're going to be spraying some pure white vinegar on them and we're going to see if that works. The portion of the rear window that the wiper does not reach also has similar staining, so we're going to try spraying some vinegar on this as well. For anyone curious, this spray bottle came from a very popular Canadian dollar store chain called Dollarama. It was $1.50 Canadian for 3, and the vinegar we were spraying is from a grocery store called No Frills. It was $1.50 Canadian for 4 liters. If this works, it will be considerably cheaper than any other cleaning solution on the market. We're now going to wipe off the vinegar with this dry microfiber towel. So you can see vinegar does a great job at removing hard water stains both from side view mirrors and from that rear glass. I'm not sure why I didn't think of doing this earlier. I always assumed that since it wasn't coming off in car washes, that these stains were permanent and non-removable. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below.